It is November the 17th, 2025, and I'm headed back home. This is the first time I ever left my tablet and my phone there, so I'm anxious to see if it's gonna be still recording. When I walked out the door, I had took a bath, so I guess the law didn't anticipate me coming right back out the door, because I literally came out the door and the police was one of them was like blocking my car in, and then the other one was like parked on the other side of the road. And when I got there, they parked, one of the officers was going in a different direction from the car and the other one, but when I came out, they was coming from in the 372 building. I don't know what they was doing, but when I came out the door, they got the hell on. So I'm trying to hurry up and get back to the house, because I'll never leave my stuff at the house. I just got my stuff that I left at the store. I was on the phone with Easter and my tablet went off. So I am headed back to the house, and I want this recorder to be on. It is Monday night, November the 17th, 2025, and it is 9:11 p.m. Okay, who is this walking out here with this pink thing on my camera? The pink hoodie on. Who is that? I don't know her, but she just was on my camera. And I just left, and this SUV done swapped spaces with me. So let's see. Where can I park? So she was over here. She came from the building the police did. And she just walked out here and got on a pink hoodie just like I got on. And this car was not here when I was here just now. So I'll just park on the end. So maybe this was a hint telling the people where to park so that my car would be on the end. I don't know. We'll see, but I'll put a camera on it tonight. But this gray car wasn't here when I was here earlier today. Maybe I should pull up. These cars be swapping out fast. I'm shocked that they are still on. Let me see what happened with this camera, Jesus.